All right, it's a rainy day in Chicagoland, and we are driving down a gravelly, partially mud road. This is a pretty sight, though. Let's take a peek at this. I could sit and watch that all day. Going back here to the tracks, Hitchcock Woods, Lyle, between Lyle and Naperville, for some trains. Hope you enjoy it. Here comes our first catch, outbound commuter from Lyle. Kind of hoping the rain would let up a little bit. I was going to get the old Canon R5 out and shoot some 4K video on it. Produces a real nice video, but unless it's an emergency, I won't take it out in the rain. So you're going to have to deal with my action cam video for today. While we're waiting out here in the rain, I will remind you, and for anybody that you know, if you ever feel like you may harm yourself or you feel suicidal, you can call 988. That's the suicide hotline. And the reason I bring that up is this set of tracks here has claimed the lives of many folks over the years. One that had a direct effect to my family. And just recently, last week, I know in Downers Grove, along the same Chicago subdivision of BNSF, there were 2 pedestrian strikes in the course of 2 days. And I know at least one of those, or I suspect at least one of those was a suicide, perhaps both. I didn't get the details on the first one. But remember, there's always hope. My little public service announcement, 988 if you or anybody you know feels hopeless. All right, rain's let up a little bit. We'll try out the old R5. This thing will shoot in 8K, but I don't really want to store 8K video. And I'm not sure you could tell the difference on YouTube anyway. Track's all clear down this way. Look back toward Naperville, we got the same thing, nothing coming yet. All right, I just checked the Metra tracker. There is an inbound Metra in downtown Naperville coming this way. Should be leaving the station shortly, and it'll be coming around that curve here before too long. Here it comes around the curve. Super long for a Metra and pretty darn fast. Turn the camera back to the west. Zoom in a little bit here, and I don't know if you can see the fog forming right over the tracks, just down by the curve that goes into Naperville. It's kind of cool, kind of a cool look. Inbound Metra. Have another Metra train pulling into Lisle Station from the east. You can see its reflection down there. There's its light. Bump the old Action 5 into super night mode. Let's see how that does. It's getting almost too dark for video. Yep, there it is. Kind of confused by this. There's another one pulling into Lisle. I don't have my cell phone out since it's raining. I didn't want to get it wet either. So I can't look at Metra Tracker right now, but this must be an express train, or maybe this is a freight. Sounds like Metra. Definitely Metra. Must be an express train on the center track. Doing a lot of speculating here. It is an express, and it was on the center track. Of course, it switched over right before our eyes there to the near track. And literally before the tail lights from the other one are out of view, we have a third one coming here. Guess it's earning its name as the racetrack. Once again, tail lights of that Metra train with a heritage unit barely out of view, and here comes another. Lots of outbound trains during the evening rush hour, of course. That was our CB&Q Burlington Heritage Unit. Metra's a heritage unit for the Burlington. Alright folks, I hope you enjoyed that little roundup of some BNSF Metra action during an evening rainy rush hour here in the Naperville Lisle area. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Help the channel grow. We'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.